You're welcome to my YouTube channel again. I welcome you today. Today I want to share you how you can use 1, 2, 3 to solve algebraic expression brackets. With this tutorial or with this knowledge I want to share you, be able to use 1, 2, 3 to solve algebraic brackets. It may sound so funny, but let's go. This is how you can solve it. I will explain it. Okay, for example now, if I give this bracket as s minus 2 in the brackets, we have s plus not minus what 7. Assuming we give this two bracket now, and you have to solve this bracket now. Now we're doing like this if it was somewhat obvious. What we just do now, just use 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means that we have this one multiplied by 3. That is 1 times 3. That's a give of 1 times 3. It's given as s times s. We give out what? It's given as s or square. And we go 1 times 4 again. That's what 1 times 4. That is given as s times minus what 7. That equals minus 7s. And same thing here, we have 2 times 3. That of 2 times 3 is equal to minus 2 times s is equal to what? Minus 2 what? S. The same thing we have 2 times 4. That is what 4 as 2 times 4 is given as we have minus 2 times minus what 7. That gives us plus what 14. But s times minus gives us plus 7. 2 times 7 that gives us 14. Very simple. So now let's add this all together. That 1 times 3 plus 4 times 1 times 4 plus that is 3 times 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. So now 1 times 3 we have s squared plus 1 times 4 we have minus what 7s plus we have 2 times 3 we have minus what 2s plus we have 2 times 4. 2 times 4 we have 14. So in this place now, if you open this bracket, minus times plus times minus, that s squared, that will minus what 7 what s plus times minus that is what minus what 2 what s plus 14. This one and this one they are what the same variable. This one they are common, they are collect, they are alike. So it means that minus 7 minus 7s minus 2s that gives us minus what 9s. Here have s squared minus what 9s plus 14. So that is our answer for this bracket. So that is how you use what 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 to solve what algebraic what expression. I hope you understand it. Hope this one is so funny. Don't worry. I hope you like it. It sounds so funny, right? Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, like, also turn the notification button. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.